I'd like to today pay tribute to your founder, Dada Lekraj, who, in spite of the horrors of partition, he was not swayed from his love for humanity. And today, that legacy is carried on by Dadiji. I thank you for the honor you have done me in inviting me to this inaugural session. The two ideas that you have put up have deeply impressed me. The first, from the Mount Abu Declaration of last year, the transformation of world begins with the transformation of self. And the second, which is the theme of this conference, every idea creates a ripple, and thousands of ripples create waves. We can have peace only if the idea of peace is instilled in the minds of millions of people throughout the world.